backtesting video here. Just gonna do one little nice session. Let's jump on. I don't think. Okay, let's delete this. Let's make a new session. Doesn't really matter. Nas. And we'll have US30 as well. Random date generator. Let's do one. Okay, so the 16th of December 2024. There we go. Very first, yeah, cool. And yeah, we are recording, so perfect. Let's expand the chart. Got what we need. Let's go to midnight open. Here's midnight. So we're now going to check Forex Factory. 16th of December. So we've got 8:30 orange news, and we've got 9:45 PMI. So we won't be touching the charts until 9:45. We'll skip it to New York. Okay, so 9:30 is here. Daily bias. We can literally just run it like this. Never even got a CSD here, but suppose you could class that CSD. Yeah, CSD there. This candle did not close above. We're running all-time highs as well. Then you've got this order block here, right there. So the bias would be bullish due to this daily CSD. Target has already been taken out, which is not the best. So we'll just see what price has for us. But yeah, daily bias is bullish, weekly is bullish. Taking the weekly. Gone to the 4-hour time frame, scrolling. This hasn't closed yet, but we do have this order block. Got this fair value gap down here. Got this volume imbalance down here. But let's look at London protraction. We'll double check that. Let's have a look. So we actually make low of day 1 AM. Doesn't look like we're inside of anything really too relevant other than this order block here. So we've got SMT on lower day. Doesn't allow we've got SMT on low of day. Yes, it's a weird one, but we are inside of this order block here and the daily bias is bullish. So I would like to see price maybe come down into this hourly gap here. may also just not see that. We might just run till post 10. But yeah, daily bias is bullish. We have just taken that out. 8:30 made hive day, so we could potentially see a new reversal and not follow daily bias. See if we've got SMT on high. Yeah, so we've got SMT on hive day. So this could be new reversal, not following daily bias. So yeah, a bit of a weird one. We also didn't put in a real valid low. It is also a Monday, but we shall see. We've got 9:45 news. Let's see what that does for us. Okay, so 9:30 makes new high. Okay, and we had news there. So PMI didn't really do much. 9:30 is current hive day. And 9:30 is further SMT. Got an SMT there. And we've also got an SMT there as well. So looking like a 9:30 reversal to not follow the daily bias. This would be moving from ERL to IRL. So if we look, maybe we take the trade post 10, but we have got this unmitigated fair value gap down here. We've got the rest of this down here. Got London low here. So could ideally we seek here, but if London low wants to be taken as well, then cool. Also got current session low with a fair value gap right there. So this would be moving from ERL to IRL with SMT on the high. So if we play it till the macro, see if we can find an entry. Also 9:30, let's mark it up. This is the first presented fair value gap. So to be bearish, I would like to see this close back below. The only thing that isn't the best is because daily bias is bullish. So yeah, this could be very trendy, but right now we do have SMT on high of day. So we'll just see what price does. Okay, so 9:30 high of day has just been taken out, making me think that this could just be a classic London protraction into post 10. So if we seek this order block here, we may not get a retap. Put our limits here, put it below the first presented. Now the only issue is there's no real target, so we'd just be targeting time. So let's just put it on. Place order, percent. Oh, that is not what I meant to do. How do I delete that? Okay, place order. Why doesn't it let me do a limit? Ah, there we go. Buy limit on there. Stop below first presented. Targeting time. We may not get an entry. Okay, we got tagged. So now we're post 10 AM. I would probably move stops, cut risk, cut the costs in half. We could definitely see a retracement here. We'd actually want to be full break even. We wouldn't want to run this. The next key time, well, 10:10 is the end of the macro. 10:30 is the next key time. So end of macro here. Could then partial 50. That isn't okay. Anyways, that's not what I wanted to do, but let's just say we're still in the trade. Partial in 50 here, because the end of the macro, and then seeing the next key time 10:30, and that would have been break even. So yeah, targeting time, no real target other than daily bias and time of day to make high. Let's see. Tapping back into the first presented, we may get a tap into here, the top here. We'll just put the stop here. It's not really a target again. It would mainly just be time. I'd actually really want to seek. That could be used as breakaway. Let's see. Okay, make a new gap here. Ideally, we see 50% of this. So we could put our limit on 50%, or we could put it about the upper portion. We'd want to see this be used as a breakaway gap, so we can put our stop loss there, and we would just be targeting time again. So we'll put another limit order on. Bear in mind, you shouldn't really be trading again, but just for the sake of the video. Okay, so now we're 10:30. We would be closing this off for the next key time. But yeah, we just run higher. Our 11 is here. Could we potentially seek new high of day? Do we have SMT on high of day? We do not. So we could potentially see 11 o'clock make new high of day. We'd put a limit on the top here. Let's put our stop loss down. Targeting 11:14. We'd also not want to be risking more. Let's just pretend we was live trading. Wouldn't risk our profits made. But yeah, just up 10:02, 10:04. Now let's move this take profit because I'm just targeting a key time, not a price point. Obviously we have just ran out the current high of day, so I'd be cutting costs again, closing 50. Put our stop to break even now. Cut costs. Targeting 11:14. We don't take out that. However, 11 o'clock did still make high of day, so we could just be closing fully here. There we go. And let's just see what the rest of the price does. We then run higher. We make new high of day at 10:21, so that would be our target, unless we have SMT, which we do. So we may not see this higher return to. If you could have gotten potentially here to scalp, but you'd want to play it till 10, 11. There we go, 11:30. So potentially we see a scalp here. Let's demand our price. Let's put it there. Really small scalp. We'll just put it there. Next key time would be 12. So we will target 12 o'clock. This could be false, but going off the basis that either 10 o'clock, half 10, 11, or 12 makes high of day. Made high of day at 11:21. Now, the only reason I'm skeptical is because we do have SMT. So we could easily just not run this out, but for the sake of the video, we're just gonna see. We'll just put our stop here. Place order. We'd also not want to risk much again. We'll just do that, and Damn, okay, stop loss, but let's still see if this high gets run out. Like I said, we do not need to because of SMT, but for the video's sake. So now we're inside of 1150 macro. We've got this two down closing candles. Let's see, potentially maybe not use that as a breakaway, but second candle. Main target would be here. I know it's bad but for the video's sake, this I would literally be risking even less. 0.25. Oh, that is way more than I wanted. I didn't even want that much. 0. I can't even do. Can I? I can. Yeah, 0. Wait, how much, bro? So I don't want 0. Yeah, I want 0.03. Yeah, perfect. Cool. Let's see if we can get an entry. Let's see if we can take this high out. Post 12. Like I said again, we do not need to. We've got an SMT there, but for the video's sake, so we get tagged in, take out the high. Now we did not take the high out post 12, so this would now be the target. Taking that, so I'd be closing half, stops to break even, and risk-free trade into the next key time of 12:14. More specifically 12:10, because that is the end of the macro. And okay, end of macro is here, so maybe you'd want to take another 50%. Ultimate take profit would be here, but we don't need to take that. And 11:14 is now here, so we'd close fully. And then after that, nothing matters. But we do actually run it out during lunch. So yeah, that is the video. We got one. Did that miss us? I think that missed us. Did that miss us? Wait. Yeah, it must have, because I had that limit. So we had 1, 2, 3 wins and 1 loss. But yeah. Analytics, there we go. So oh yeah, 1 break even. So we had 3 wins, 1 loss, 1 break even. I thought the analytics looked way better than that, but clearly not. Oh yeah, here we go. So yeah, 3 wins, 1 loss, 1 break even. That is for our Monday with news following the daily bias. Now you can also see how you can change biases. Obviously 9:30 did make high of day, so that could have been a 9:30 reversal, but after we took 9:30 high out, post 9:30 15-minute candle, that is when I then knew that the bias would still be bullish. Hopefully that makes sense. So obviously 9:30 high of day, 9:30, so 9:30 high of day here, but then as soon as we enter 9:45 and we take out that high, then that was confirmed to me that 9:30 reversal was not on, and that it would just be a macro push up into bias and time. So hopefully you learned something from this video. This is a completely random day, just using daily bias and time and price. And yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit. Peace.